What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is just going to be a real quick video, another one on Forscan. So my wife's Fusion has the global windows where you can, by the key fob, you can open the windows and close the windows, and that's nice for the reason, my reason being, if you leave your windows down during the summertime, you can just from inside click the remote and have them go back up, and you don't even have to go out, start your car, turn them up, anything like that. So real quick, I'm going to do that here on this video. And if you're looking for a more detailed video on how to use Forscan, check out my other video. I will link it in the description. Also, it'll be right here. Right here. Alright, so let's get started. I already got everything hooked up. Alright, OBD2 port, and it is hooked to the computer. I have the Forscan open, and we are going to go down to the connection. Okay, read the warning, make sure it's on. The key is not on. Now it is. Hit OK. Yes, this is the one I want right here. Everything's going to load in. Please set the switch to medium speed. Flip the switch. OK. So now for the global windows, open and close. First, we got to go to 3 different spots. So BCM body control module, that's where we're going first. So we are going to go up to configuration, or no, sorry, down here to configuration and programming, and then we are going to find BCM as built. Sorry guys, off on the camera. There it is, BCM as built, right there. Then we're going to go down and we are going to play. Please set the switch back to high speed. Flip. Okay. Changing it is potentially unsafe. Yes, I know. Do this at your own risk, basically, is what it tells you. So, first off, I need, down here, I need 726, 1701, 1702, and 3001. Yep. So we need to change all this here. 726, 1701. So we need to change this to 01, 01, 01, and 014A. And then 02. Sorry, I'm way off on this thing. Then 1702. We need to go to 0101, 0101, 014B, 014B. Alright. And I'm not going to write this right now because I'm going to wait until we get this last one done, which is 726.30 right here. And then we need to make it a 0101. So 0101. Okay. Now we will go to write all. Incorrect checksum data, continue anyway, yes. Yes. Please cycle the ignition off and then back on. It looks like to finish this up we need to do the DDM and then the PDM, and then we just need to change the first value to a D in both of those. So now cycle the ignition back on. Click the OK. And now down here, stop. Then go back to configuration and programming up here at the top, right there. And then then we need to go down to DDM. Let me find it. Right here, DDM. DDM right there. And then we'll go down to play. Please put the switch in medium speed. Okay, medium speed, okay. Here we go, changing it is potentially unsafe. Now we're looking for 740-0501. So, 740-0501, right here. So we need to change this to a D. 0501, change this to a D. And then 741, oh, that's on the PDM. Okay, so now we will hit right, continue anyway, yes. Please cycle off the ignition. Ignition is back on. Okay, I'm gonna hit close, or stop anyway, and then we'll go back up here to configuration and programming, and then we need to find PDM right above it. There's PDM. Is there chocolate on your face? A little bit. A little bit.
They had double stuffed Oreos.
Double stuffed Oreos. That is fantastic.
Yeah. Wait, are you doing a video?
I am.
Oh, sorry.
No problem.
Wait,
741-0501, and the same thing. We got to change it to a D. 0501 is right there. We have to change that to a D. Just like that. Go right. Continue anyway. My daughter's waving at me through the other window. Cycle off the ignition. This time I'm going to leave it off for a little while, because this was the last block. Sometimes you just need to let it drain a little bit longer. Alright, turn the ignition back on. Select OK. Come down here to stop. Then we will go back up to the top, to the little car.
I'm going to be sitting in
down here. To the bottom. Down to the bottom, and we will disconnect. And now we should be good. Alright guys, so here we go. Let's try it. You tap unlock, and then the second time you hold it. So let's try it. There it goes. And both front windows. That is awesome. So, to reverse it, lock once and then hold the second time. Just like that. Alright guys, another successful Forscan mod. Hope this helps you guys out. Summertime here in Michigan now. It is great, and we've got a camera hog. Alright guys, if you want to, go ahead and subscribe if you like the content. Hit that notification bell. And I've got some exciting stuff coming for you here in a couple of weeks. I mean, talking wheels and tires, exhaust. It's going to be great. Oh, and Saturday I'm doing ceramic coat. Can't wait to show you guys later. Say hi.
Hi.
One more time.